Hey guys, this is Melissa again, and today I'm coming to you with a Luvmehair wig. Looks nice, huh? Okay, I just did another review or an unboxing on another Luvme wig. It was, I believe, a Brazilian wave wig, U-part wig. You guys know I love my wigs. I love my extensions, my braids, my clip-ins. You know how I do. So, if you guys want to watch that, stay tuned. Okay, guys, so this U-part wig is for the summer. It's about to get hot. I ain't trying to wear all this hair. This is a U-part bob wig, okay? It's only supposed to be 10 inches. So, let's go. So this is how the box looks. It's so gorgeous. It's Luvmehair Affordable Luxury Wigs, and it is affordable. I had a 20%, I think, discount, and so I think originally it was like $80 or $90, and I got it for like $79 or something like that. So let's see what is in the wig. Okay, so this is how it is packaged, and it says, "Enjoy your hair journey from now on, Helena, the founder of Luvmehair." So, okay, so we're gonna open, and the wig is in a cute little pouch. Feels good. It has the number 10 because that's the 10 inch. So that is awesome. Let me show you what's in the box first. Okay, so we got the wig. They give you a free flat iron. Okay, if you see my other video, check that in the link in the description, as well as this website. They always give you a flat iron. This is a mini flat iron. The last video I did, it was a full-size flat iron, but this will work just great. I need one. I have a bunch of flat irons, so yeah, extra one is not gonna kill me. Okay, they packaged this really well. It's really pretty. Okay, so they give me a little pouch. Cute. It's purple. My favorite color is purple, guys, so this is right up my alley. Okay, and in this pouch, they give me a comb, elastic band, some bobby pins, oh, a cute little Luvme clip, some tweezers, I guess, to pluck. This is a U-part wig, so I probably won't need that. And then, what is this? I think this is a scarf. I'm gonna show you guys, let's see. Or a head wrap. I'm thinking it's a head wrap. Let's see. Oh yeah. So it's a head wrap. You just, you know, you wrap your edges up, get them right. Okay, and then they have a wig cap and the Luvme pamphlet. And her hair is gorgeous as well. And it just says how to use the wig, how to care for the wig, return, refund, all that good stuff. Really great. So they packaged it really nice. I really like how they did all this. This is just an unboxing today, guys. So if you guys stay tuned, I'm going to do a application of the wig. And actually, let me open the wig so I can show you guys what the wig looks like. Can't forget that. Okay, so it has all the necessary stuff. It is in the hairnet. Oh yeah, there's a little thing in it. And it has this little band. They all come like this. All the U-parts come like this. And this is 10 inches. And it has the elastic band. It has a clip here, two clips on the side, and one in the back. Okay, guys? So, yeah, this is 10 inches. So, hopefully it's long enough. I thought it would be a little longer, but we'll see. We'll see how this works. So again, this is the inside of the wig. Has 3 clips I'm sorry, 4 clips, because it has one right here too. So 4 clips, elastic band, adjustable straps. So this is how it looks, guys. I'm gonna put this on, so you guys stay tuned for that video. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to order this wig, I will link the website in the description along with a coupon code. And you guys have a great day. Peace.